Hi y'all, it's me. I have a project share, and by the time you're seeing this, the recipients have already gotten them. I just wanted to film it before I give it to them, which is this coming week. We're going to Scrapbook Expo in Sacramento. I'm meeting up with the NorCal girls. I'm so excited, but I knew that once I gave this to them, I would have nothing to film, so I'm doing it ahead of time. So anyhow, I wanted to create a Christmas present for them, and yes, it's a little early, but I'd rather be ahead of the game than later. And if you see, once you see what I made, it's good to have it done ahead of time. But anyhow, I have made in the past a Christmas organizer, and basically it's a file folder that you fold into 4 sections. You fold up the bottom portion, and then it makes this little foldable thing, and you put slips in there for Christmas lists, shopping lists, etc., etc. Well, I didn't want to make the exact same one, so I started looking around YouTube, and I found a tutorial by Leah Denton. She's a Stampin' Up person, I think. But anyhow, she did this organizer, and I knew that was the one I wanted to create for them. So first, let me show you all of the ones that I created that have already been handed out. And here they are. And I will show you, one of them and kind of show you really quickly some of the others. They're just all identical. Once I figured out how to do it, because the tutorial is kind of lengthy, she kind of, has a lot of babbling, and it was hard to understand a lot of it, but I figured it out. And so I made all the bases first, and then I came back and I decorated each one individually. So let me show you how these work. So these are going to probably be tucked in someone's purse. So there's the back there. I just have a little handcrafted for you by me. And you can see it has a spine. It has the front here, lightly embellished, because of course these are going in purses and you don't want everything to get knocked off. So I just fussy cut here, added a die from my stash, diamond dots around the little scallops, the initial of who's getting this one. They're magnetic closures, which is nice. And then when you open this up, there's another decorated piece here. Same thing, diamond dots, a fussy cut piece. It has a pen holder right there, so you just slide the pen in the little pen loop. And then when you open the first page right here, I'm going to back it down so you can see it better. I have a December calendar, and I've matted behind everything. I used a border punch along the top edges, and these cutouts came from a website called Organized Christmas, I believe. So the first batch of papers, I just put a little topper so they wouldn't be flying out, is decoration. So it goes room by room and what you want to do for that decoration idea. On this side, in this pocket, you have what's called gift ideas. So you have, the name, who it's for, what the ideas might be, and a gift list right here. So that's the next two. And of course, they can always go to these websites and print off more if they need them. The next section, again, I matted. Like I said, I didn't want to over embellish because they're just going to be for their purses to take notes and stuff. So here's the next one. This is stocking stuffer ideas, really cute. And on this one, it's Christmas cards. So you have a list of who you're sending a Christmas card to, and if you've got one back or whatever from them. You turn it yet again, and on this page is a tablet, and I had to buy some tablets that were bigger and cut them down to make them fit here, but it's so that they can write their own notes, whatever it comes up with, and just a cover so it's not so plain. In this pocket over here, there's another couple of stacks. One of them reads menu, so you can plan out your event in the menu. And then your shopping list is for groceries or whatever you need to shop for. So they can add to this whatever they want or change it around. And then there's another part to this one. Why I liked it much more than the other version is because this one has a wallet in the inside. So you can put your receipts in here or little hidden notes that you don't want other prying eyes to see. And it's just really cute. And the one she did, the tutorial, she didn't mat them, but I did because I like the look of it with matte inside better. So that is what I created for everyone. And again, each one is a little different. So I'll just kind of show you the overview. This one is with this paper collection. I don't know what it is, but has the same exact things, tablets and whatever. This one is a different one. I used I think it was one of the stacks from Michael's. Got a cute little snowman, a pretty pen that I found to match this particular one. And again, just the same idea, the same concept. It made it a lot easier to do it this way. Here's another. This one's more of a homespun kind of look. And again, you have all your pages. Oops, sorry. Your tablets. And this one I need to put a pen in. I have it. I just haven't put it in there yet. And here's the last one. And these are, again, identical in the way they were constructed, just different papers. So really cute projects. Now I came to the next problem was, okay, well now you've created these nice little journals. What are you going to put them in? And of course, I could get just paper gift bags and put them in that, but I couldn't do that. I had to do something different. So I'm going to show you these because I made these and they were fun. I'm going to show you one up close, but anyhow, I wanted to find something nice, a nice cloth bag, and I couldn't. So I went to Hobby Lobby and picked up felt squares, and that became my bag base. I have sewn the bags together. This is from a ribbon that came from Hobby Lobby. I just cut off pieces of the ribbon and glued them on. And up here I sewed on the ribbon across the top, and I sewed on the handles. And they open up, so they're pretty good size inside. They fit these journals perfectly. I'm going to have other goodies in here as well. The back is just, the ribbon and the pom-poms. And then I made... I put a little dangle on each one. Now, this is completely a joke, and if you know me, you know I cannot stand gnomes, so I thought it would be funny to put them on here just because I know they like them. I don't, but anyway, so there's a gnome. I made tassels for each one, and that was done with a In Love Arts tassel die and pleather, fake leather. And then I put their initial on here. I made a little charm dangle with their initial. So I thought that was really cute. It's all held on with a garment pin right there. And it was a cute project, quite simple to pull together. And on one of them, because I ran out of that ribbon, I had to use a different ribbon from Hobby Lobby. So that's the only difference between them all. But they all have the same elements. So that is the gifts that I made for the ladies. I hope they enjoyed them when they got them. When they get them, I should say. And so thank you so much for watching. And until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.